Hi guys, so today we are going to make my favorite and extremely easy recipe, which is a vegetable salad wrap, and it's very tasty. So let's get started. So let's add 2 tablespoons of butter. If you're vegan, you can go with olive oil as well. Here I'm adding my favorite veggies like mushrooms, zucchini, bell peppers, and if you want you can add parsley, basil as well, or even your regular vegetables will do. You can saute them on medium to low flame for some time, and you can add a little bit of salt if you want. I'm adding butter, so I'm not adding salt because then it tends to get a little salty, and keep it for a few minutes till it is sauteed well. So let's cover it and let it cook on medium flame for 3 to 5 minutes. I also want to add baby spinach and some paneer, so till then I'll prepare for that. I'm cutting the baby spinach into very small pieces. I'm not taking the stems. Somehow I don't like the stems. Sometimes you might like them, they're very crunchy and all, but here I'm preferring not to use them. Till then my veggies are ready. I'm putting my baby spinach in it, and also let it saute for some time. Let it cook nicely till the time veggies are cooking. I'm also going to add paneer in it. Again, if you're vegan, you can opt for tofu or soya chunks, and as I said, normal veggies also you can add like green peas and name it, and it's just a simple healthy vegetarian wrap. You just put whatever you like in it, saute it and put it in your wrap and ready to eat. I've also added basil, you can add coriander as well, and again I'm going to let it cook very nicely. Here I'm adding ginger garlic paste. It's not compulsory, but I like that zing in my salad. Even if I'm making a normal salad, I always make sure I add black pepper or ginger garlic in my salad. It really gives it a nice taste, though these are exotic vegetables, but ginger garlic just adds to it. Here I'm adding my paneer. You can, if you want, you can pre-saute them in butter and then add them. Also for the Italian flavor, I'm adding chili flakes to it, and again saute them for some time. Here I'm adding some mixed herbs. You can add oregano, black pepper, anything you want to it. So guys, this is my favorite go-to-go healthy recipe. I want to know which is your favorite recipe, which is healthy as well as yummy and tasty. Do send me the recipes in the comment and let me know how you think of this one once you try it. So now for the wrap, let's use some olive oil on the pan, and for the batter I have used gram flour, oats powder, then a little bit of cumin, even I have put ginger garlic paste in that, and fresh coriander. And I must tell you, it is extremely rich in protein. The entire recipe is very healthy, protein rich, as we have not used any carbs. Spread the batter evenly on the flat pan, and voila, it's getting nicely cooked. So here we are. I'm spreading some nice fat-free mayo. It's up to you if you want to, or if you don't want, you can directly put all your veggies in it. I like to have mayo in my salad wrap. Then some tomato ketchup. Some people are very fond of very spicy wraps, so you can again put some chilies or jalapenos. Now I'm using a homemade mint chutney, and I must tell you, I always keep the mint chutney ready in my fridge because I use it in my salad wraps or even in salad or sandwiches. It's very healthy and tasty as well. Now let's put some cooked veggies. It is definitely looking very pretty with all the colors and all. for the crunch, I'm gonna add romaine lettuce. You can add normal lettuce, iceberg lettuce as well, or again spinach, anything. So now our wrap is ready. I'm sure it's going to be extremely tasty, ready to eat.